أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students, my dear viewers, and my dear respected Qurra Hazrat, Hufaz Ikram, Alma and Qariya. Today I am making this video for you, those who want to teach the Holy Quran in English or Urdu in all over the world. So this video would be very useful for them. Please must watch completely, and inshallah you will extract the hide wisdom with the techniques, tricks, tips, and the way of teaching methodology. And today inshallah I will recite the Surah Fatiha and I will read English translation. Okay, this is the special demo class for those people, those who want to teach the Holy Quran but they don't know exactly how to speak and how to deliver the lecture in English. So watch this video. Inshallah you will feel better to speak, to teach, to explain. Okay, now we go to the laptop screen for learning new things about the Surah Fatiha and its translation. Okay, dear students and respected teachers, look at the screen and listen very attentively, okay, and with a vivid observation. Suratul Fatiha Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise belongs to Allah, the Rabb, the Cherisher, the Creator, the Sustainer of the universe and whatever it contains. MashaAllah. There is no doubt. He is alone. He has no partner. He is a wahdahu la shareek. Second verse of the Surah Fatiha. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Who is the most compassionate, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. And master of all affairs on the day of recompense, the day of Qiyamah, when resurrection, accountability, rewards and punishment will take place. Iyyaka. Repeat after me. Iyyaka. You will read this ya mushadda with extra stress. Iyyaka na'budu. Na'budu. This na sound will connect with the Ain Sakina because Ain has a jazm sign over there and this is the Sukoon sign. we call it connecting sign, joining sign, link sign. This is the link sign, okay, because the previous letter nun zabar now will connect with the ain sakina. Na'budu, iyyaka na'budu, wa iyyaka, wa iyyaka nasta'in. Repeat after me and try to imitate me. And how am I reading or reciting? Please try to imitate me. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone do we worship, and you alone do we ask for help. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Try to imitate me, try to copy and repeat after me, okay? Please check it. And how am I reciting and reading this verse? It is very easy to learn and read. This Hamza Zir E sound will connect with the Ha. This is the throatal letter, because the Ha has a jazm sign, spoon sign over there. The previous letter E sound will connect with the Ha. D. Nafsi, ra, nasira, ihdina siratal mustaqim. And this one and this one, okay, they are all haruf musta'aliya letters. These are all haruf musta'aliya letters, sad, ta and qaf. Haruf musta'aliya letters, they were 7 bold letters. I told you in previous lesson. Khasa, dagh and qif. And you will read in every state boldly, strongly, heavily, deeply and pour. Right? Okay. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Yes, repeat after me again. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path, the path of Islam, the path of Deen, the path of peace. MashaAllah. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. Okay, this is the heavy letter sad and ta. Ta sound will connect with the lam mushadda with the extra stress. Talla, siratal ladhina. You will read very softly because dal has a zair kasra, okay, at the bottom, and the sound will connect with the ya sakina because the ya has jazm sign, sukun sign, link sign, connecting sign and joining sign. You will read very softly and you will stretch a little bit. Siratal ladhina an'amta. Okay, this is the nun sakina and a hamza sound a. Okay, when you read a zabar, the zabar pronounced by opening the mouth and raising the voice. Yes, and a sound will connect with the nun sakina because nun has a jazm sign, sukun sign, link sign, connecting sign and joining sign. So and you make izhar here, okay. After the nun sakina, throatal letter is appearing. Ain is a throatal letter. There were 6 throatal letters. Huruf halkiya. An'amta alayhim. This is the ya leen. And my dear students, I told you that there were 2 lean letters when there is a zabar before them, okay, ya sakina and waw sakina. They both have zabar before them, okay, then they become lean letters. So the ya is one of them. Alayhim. The path of those whom you have favored by guiding them. Alright. غير المغضوب. Ghai, this is the heavy letter, and yalin. Ghai, il, maghdubi, and you will read a ra very softly with the tarqiq. Okay, ri, ril maghdubi, ghairil maghdubi. Yes, alayhim, alayhim, waladdallin. And I told you in previous lesson, ra has zair at this time. We will read this ra very softly. When ra has zabar and pesh on it, right, then we will read boldly. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَضَّالِّينَ, and not the path of those with whom you are angry, the Jews, not the path of those who have gone astray, the Christian. And I hope so you will like this video, and if you like, then please you should share on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. May Allah keep you always happy and show you the straight path. And may Allah succeed you in Deen, Dunya and Akhirah. Pakistan Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.